Today's lesson is about rational exponents. Let's think about this one. If I have a square root of 2 square, what's your answer? So you get 2. And I want to do 2 to the 1/2 power, then I square. We already learned this power of a power rule. That is m times n. So if I have 2 to the 1/2 power square, then you will get 2 to the 1/2 times 2 equals 2 to the first power. That equals 2. Therefore, these two should be equal to each other. I could say 2 to the 1/2 power equals square root of 2. Let's do more. If I have a cubic root of 2, how can I get the 2? I will do the third power. If I have 2 to the 1/3 power, I want to do the third power. Let's see what we will get. You will get 2 to the 1/3 times 3 equals 2 to the first power equals 2. Therefore, these two must be equal to each other. So we have 2 to the 1/3 power equals the cubic root of 2. According to this and this, we can get the general form 2 to the 1/nth power. It will be nth root of 2. Now, I want to do m's power both sides. So you get the 2 to the m/nth power equals nth root of 2 to the m's power. Now, I will change this 2 to the x. We will get the general form. That will be x to the m/nth power means nth root of x to the m's power. For calculus, when you apply power rule of derivative, you need to know the backwards, which means nth root of x to the m's power equals x to the m/nth power. Now, we got to use these two rules to write the following as a single power. Whenever you have 1/, you will make exponents as a negative when you write as a single power. So for number 1, 5 square root of x. We know 5 is a coefficient. Then we do 5 times x to the 1/2 power. Remember square root of x. That is x to the 1/2 power. Then cubic root of x, that is x to the 1/3 power. These two are very useful. For number 2, you will get -4 is coefficient. Then x, you will get 2/3 power. For number 3, negative sign, then x, you do 1/6 power. Let's go to number 4. The coefficient is a -3/7. Then x, you will do 3/5. Since this as denominator. Therefore, you will get a negative exponent. Therefore, you will write down x to the negative 3 over 5th power. For number 5, you will get the 1 over 5. Then 4th root of x as the denominator. Therefore, you will get the negative exponents will be negative 1 over 4th power. For number 6, you will get negative exponents because the square root of x as a denominator. So you get the x to the negative 1/2 power.